Hurricane Erick made landfall on Mexico's western coast as a Category 3 storm this morning. It was downgraded from a Category 4 before making landfall. But forecasters are warning the storm's strong winds and rain could still cause life-threatening flooding and mudslides. Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum is urging residents now to stay indoors. Erick is the first major hurricane of the Eastern Pacific hurricane season. It's expected to rapidly weaken and likely dissipate later today or early Friday. Here in the U.S., a brutal heat wave is spreading across much of the nation. Las Vegas is seeing its fourth extreme heat warning of 2025. Our Andres Gutierrez is there in triple-digit temperatures.
Friday marks the first day of summer, and across the U.S. it will definitely feel like it. Here in Las Vegas, temperatures have already reached the triple digits. But in addition to the heat, some Americans are bracing for severe weather. About 60 million people from Oklahoma all the way up to Michigan face rough weather. Tulsa got blasted by 70-mile-per-hour winds that tore part of a mall roof. A tornado touched down near Clarksville, Missouri, and in Macomb County, Michigan. Heavy rain flooded roads in Indiana and in Rochester, New York, with more coming for D.C. and Vermont. Now let's talk about the heat. Back east, temperatures will hit 90 degrees. Out west, where we're at, we're under a fourth extreme heat warning for this year. Las Vegas and surrounding areas expected to reach 105 to 115 degrees on Thursday. Now, the heat isn't just uncomfortable here. It could also kill. Last month, 3 people died when temperatures were in the high 90s. Other deaths are being looked into. Last year marked a grim milestone here. The heat killed 527 people. Now back to you.
Andres Gutierrez, thank you. Temperatures on the East Coast are expected to continue rising over the next week. CBS News meteorologist Grant Gilmore has our forecast.
I'll tell you what, yesterday, Hurricane Erick, the rapid intensification with this thing was scary, honestly, which is how quickly it intensified. It became a Category 4 hurricane, then weakened slightly before making landfall early this morning. Since 6 o'clock this morning, Central Standard Time, right there in extreme western Oaxaca, wind speeds at 125 miles per hour. Category 3 hurricane bringing heavy rainfall surge right along the coast. In addition to those wind speeds, moving slowly up to the north and west, it will continue to weaken and rain itself out. Concerns for landslides with the heavy rainfall, but it looks like by sometime tomorrow morning it will just be a remnant low as it runs into a lot of that terrain there in southern Mexico. So that's the Eastern Pacific. Meanwhile, we've got this concern here across the eastern half of the United States. All right, an enhanced threat for severe weather, level 3 out of 5 for some severe storms that will be developing as we go throughout the day. Watch here on the forecast model as we go through the rest of the afternoon into the evening hours as a cold front swings through, and then up to the north, the northern tier states. Back to the west, we'll see another chance for some severe storms as we go into the day tomorrow. Speaking of the west, extreme heat has been in place across the southwest. Phoenix at 116 this afternoon. The heat is beginning to move into the high plains today. High temperatures a good 5 to 10 degrees warmer than normal there up towards Rapid City. Now that heat will start to move to the east as we go through the weekend. Look at places like St. Louis, 97 degrees Saturday and Sunday. New York getting up to 92 by Sunday. Even hotter temperatures, again, extreme heat expected into the northeast as we go into the first half of next week. Back to you.
Oh boy, Grant Gilmore, thank you very much.